feeling to someone, right? So, when the 7 friends are old enough, okay, we're not yet done with this, okay? And for the second group, can you read the second stanza, please? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
When they are old enough to attend primary school, the children leave the house for them to segregated boarding schools. Bernard, Louise, and Matthew attend the boys' school under the direction of Dr. Manu. There, they meet their friend Percival, an innocent boy whom everyone seems to love and respect. At girls' school, under the watchful eye of Miss Gambit, Ginny longs to become a woman so she can go to parties. Susan suffers from intense mood swings for the countryside where she grew, and Ron feels increasingly isolated from humanity.
Okay, so when they, the question is, when the 7 friends are old enough, who took good care of them? From the paragraph that we have read, yes. Sophia's arrangement, yes, give me a chance. Yes, it's Dr. Rain. Okay, very good. Let me just for you. And yes, you'd like to answer. What's your name? Ivan. Yes, Ivan. Alright, so the boys are under the direction of Dr. Gray, and the girls is under the director of Miss the directress, Miss Number. Right? Very good. Okay. For the next paragraph, can you read next group? Third and fourth paragraph.
Who is the son of an Australian banker, doesn't have the resources to go to college, so he embarks on a business career when his primary school is finished. Bernard and Ned will attend college together. The girls go to finish school abroad. Bernard proposes to Susan, but she turns him down because she wants to marry a farmer. In their 20s, the 7 friends gather to be Percival, who is going to India to Dubai. Bernard and Percival engaged and decided about his future. The Neville who loves Percival feels her. He joins his career as an accounting assistant.
Okay, so what happened to the childhood friends? Do they took same path? Yes, Dexter.
Based on the fourth paragraph, the friends quite different. Like some of them stopped before going to work because of financial problem. Some of them went abroad.
Okay, very good, Dexter. Okay, and for the next paragraph, the next group, we will be reading the next paragraph. A little while later, on the same day Bernard's first child is born, word reaches the parents that Percival decided for horse riding lesson. They each morning his custom. Soon afterward, Bernard visits each counting. He subsequent years, Susan has many children. Louise becomes successful businessman. Louise and Rhoda quickly become lovers. The tale has sustainable events but great romantic relationships. The Bernard sees over the need to professional lifestyle. The friends meet again on the brink of middle age. At first, it's really awkward together because of their lives within such different parts. Eventually, they fall back to all intimacy, although they can only feeling for love. Finally, many years later, Bernard tells his friends life stories in years later. By now, Susan and Rhoda are back. Rhoda is suicide. Louise and her children are both successful. Although God remains intensely to although Louise never really able to spend his life gathering material for. After many years, Bernard has developed deep insight into his friends and into his own soul. He expresses growing love for his friends, moving person, without whom he would not know who is or how to function together. And he faces death with one secure in knowledge that words underlying order in the world and confident disciples of life and death. Okay, so the friends are the friends took the same path. Anyone from the group? Yes. They did not took the same path, right? And what happened to Percival? Yes, Dexter. Rachel has replied to answer. Yes.
He died in the first answer.
Okay. Excellent answer. I did. One more riding accident. Because he went to he lived in India. And her friends were convinced that Percival already died because of the horse riding accident. Then, okay, so is Susan the mother of Bernard's son?
No.
Yes. Yes.
Sorry, remember the question again.
Is Susan the mother of Bernard's son?
No.
Is Dexter right answer?
Because in third paragraph, it says here that Bernard proposed and however, she turned it down, so I think
Yes. Is it yeah.